Here is a beginner-level IT manager quiz based on IT strategy and planning, project and program management, and security and risk management. Question 1. The process of aligning IT goals with business objectives to ensure technology supports the organization effectively. A. IT governance, B. IT strategy, C. IT budgeting, and D. IT operations. Answer: IT strategy. Question 2. What is a key factor in determining IT investment priorities for an organization? A. User preferences, B. Employee convenience, C. Business goals and needs, and D. IT vendor recommendations. Answer: business goals and needs. Question 3. Which of the following best describes IT governance? A. Controlling IT employees' working hours, B. Supervising software development teams, C. Managing hardware installation processes, and D. Establishing policies and frameworks for IT decision-making. Answer: establishing policies and frameworks for IT decision-making. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of an IT roadmap? A. To outline the future IT infrastructure, applications, and initiatives. B. To detail employee work schedules. C. To monitor daily IT help desk tickets. And D. To enforce cybersecurity policies. Answer: to outline the future IT infrastructure, applications, and initiatives. Question 5. Which document provides guidance on how IT services should be managed and delivered in an organization? A. Financial statement, B. Business requirement document, BRD, C. IT service management framework, ITSM, and D. Compliance report. Answer: IT Service Management Framework, ITSM. Question 6. A structured approach to planning, executing, and monitoring IT projects is known as A. ET Project Management, B. Software Development, C. Technical Support, and D. Infrastructure Upgrade. Answer: IT Project Management. Question 7. Which project management methodology is commonly used for IT projects with evolving requirements? A. Waterfall, B. Agile, C. Prince2, and D. Six Sigma. Answer: Agile. Question 8. Which tool helps IT managers track project tasks, deadlines, and resource allocation? A. Word processor, B. Gantt chart, C. Antivirus software, and D. Social media platform. Answer: Gantt chart. Question 9. Which of the following is not a key component of IT project management? A. Budget control, B. Scope management, C. Network configuration, and D. Risk management. Answer: Network configuration. Question 10. The process of identifying and resolving risks during an IT project lifecycle is called A. Risk mitigation, B. Change management, C. Incident reporting, and D. Performance testing. Answer: risk mitigation. Congratulations on completing a set of 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the first step in developing an IT security plan? A. Buying security software. B. Conducting a risk assessment. C. Hiring a cybersecurity consultant. And D. Implementing access controls. Answer: conducting a risk assessment. Question 12. Which security principle ensures that only authorized users can access certain data? A. Integrity. B. Scalability. C. Availability. And D. Confidentiality. Answer: confidentiality. Question 13. A system vulnerability that has been discovered but not yet patched is called A. Malware. B. Zero-day exploit. C. Firewall breach. And D. Encryption error. Answer: zero-day exploit. Question 14. Which of the following is not considered a cybersecurity best practice? A. Using strong, unique passwords. B. Keeping software updated. C. Sharing login credentials with teammates. And D. Enabling multi-factor authentication. Answer: sharing login credentials with teammates. Question 15. A security measure that prevents unauthorized access by monitoring and filtering network traffic is A. Cloud backup. B. Firewall. C. Data warehouse. And D. Software license. Answer: firewall. Question 16. What does phishing refer to in cybersecurity? A. A method of encrypting data. B. Scanning networks for performance issues. C. Installing firewalls on an IT system. And D. Sending fraudulent messages to trick users into revealing sensitive information. Answer: sending fraudulent messages to trick users into revealing sensitive information. Question 17. The process of ensuring data is backed up and recoverable in case of system failure is called A. Risk analysis. B. Disaster recovery planning. C. Ethical hacking. And D. Security patching. Answer: disaster recovery planning. Question 18. Which of these is an example of a social engineering attack? A. Cracking passwords using brute force. B. Exploiting unpatched software vulnerabilities. C. Tricking employees into revealing confidential data via email. And D. Attacking a server using distributed denial of service, DDoS. Answer: tricking employees into revealing confidential data via email. Question 19. Which of these is an example of a strong password? A. Password 123. B. John Doe 2024. C. X at 9ZLK #G4. And D. Admin password. Answer: option C. X at 9ZLK #G4. Question 20. What is the purpose of multi-factor authentication, MFA? A. To prevent software updates. B. To increase security by requiring multiple forms of identity verification. C. To automatically reset all passwords. And D. To store login credentials for future use. Answer: to increase security by requiring multiple forms of identity verification. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.